In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for your business. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll see in your account, explain what each choice means, and share helpful context so you can move confidently from start to finish. Once you're in your Google Ads account, start by clicking Create at the top left. This opens the setup flow for a brand new campaign. Next, select Campaign. Think of this as the container for your advertising. It holds your objectives, your audience settings, your budget, and the ads themselves. You'll now choose an objective to tailor the experience to your goals. Pick the one that best matches what you want to achieve, like sales, leads, or website traffic. Sales focuses on driving purchases. Leads helps you capture inquiries or signups, and website traffic is about attracting the right visitors. This choice guides Google's recommendations and the options you'll see next. At this point, enter a clear campaign name. A straightforward naming convention, such as the product or service and the audience you're targeting, makes it easy to stay organized as you grow. From here, you're taken into the campaign creation screen. Google will present a guided set of steps and fields that you'll fill out to get things up and running. The exact options you see depend on the objective you selected, but they generally revolve around three key areas: your target audience, your ad assets, and your budget and bidding. When you define your audience, you'll typically outline where your ads should show and who should see them. Location and language settings help you focus on the right markets, and interest or keyword choices align your message with what people are actively looking for. The more your audience matches your ideal customers, the more relevant your ads will feel. Next, you'll add the assets for your campaign. These include headlines, descriptions, and depending on the campaign type, images or videos. Aim for concise, benefit-driven language and make sure your message matches what people will find on your landing page. Consistency here improves trust and performance. Finally, you'll set your budget and choose a bidding approach that supports your goal. Pick a daily budget you're comfortable with and select a bidding focus that aligns with your objective, whether that's getting more clicks, encouraging conversions, or maximizing value within your spend. Continue through the guided steps, reviewing each section as you go. When everything looks right, complete the flow. Google will finalize the setup based on your inputs, and your campaign will be on its way. That's all it takes to run Google Ads for your business with clarity and confidence.